Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change volume on your headphones Redmi Buds 4 Pro. You have to start by open the application and now go to gestures. Then we can use only triple tap for lower or increase the volume. So for the left one I wanna add volume down, but you can also make volume up if you want to. And for the right one, volume up. Here we go. Now the touches area located right here, so you should just press on it. Now I put the headphones on my ears and I will show it to you. Now I will triple tap on my right earbud. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 again. And as you can see, I increase it. Now I make it again. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Now I will triple tap on my left earbud and I will lower the volume. 1, 2, 3. And again 1, 2, 3. So it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.